Hi, everyone. My name is Shantanu, and let's talk about how Boston Quantum is reimagining what computing can do. We are disrupting the financial industry with the speed and scalability of quantum computing enterprise software. To do so, we've assembled a talented team with deep technical and business expertise. With 3 MIT PhDs and 2 MIT MBAs, we have experience across quantum computing, software engineering, finance, consulting, and more, as well as a number of talented interns and mentors. We are interested in currency markets. These markets are more complex today than ever before, with hundreds of prices spread across tens of exchanges. This complexity leads to mispricing in exchange rates. And from this mispricing, we can find opportunities for arbitrage profit. This is the idea that you can start with $1, trade and exchange through a cycle of other currencies to end up back where you started with more than $1, as well as better effective exchange rates. This is the idea that you can start with $1, trade and exchange through a path of other currencies to end up with a better effective exchange rate to Australian dollars. However, these markets are also moving faster today than ever before, and so these opportunities really only last for about 200 milliseconds. In this time, we have to stream data, detect these opportunities, and place trades to capture these opportunities. Incumbent solutions that our clients have tried to build in-house, for example, take roughly 10 seconds to do this when scaled up to networks of hundreds of prices. Our solutions take 30 milliseconds to do this, giving us enough time to not only detect these opportunities, but also capture them. So at a high level, what we're building here is an end-to-end reserve management solution. Our clients have portfolios of liquidity across several currencies, from hedge funds to cross-border payment companies, and investment banks and more. And by finding and capturing complex mispricing, we're able to grow our clients' currency reserves while keeping them liquid with arbitrage, as well as enable the transfer of liquidity from one currency to another with best-in-class effective exchange rates. We do this by packaging our proprietary suite of quantum-inspired, and cutting-edge classical optimizers within our arbitrage engine. This engine sits within our end-to-end infrastructure, where we handle streaming from over 50 plus brokers today, detect these opportunities, and execute trades across these brokers. This gives us the versatility to unlock novel trading frontiers with both the quantitative as well as the more traditional clients. And our onboarding time in digital asset exchanges, for example, is 2 weeks with no technical lift required from our client. To our clients, we expose the streamlined API. We essentially give them an engine, and they can tune the knobs of this engine by controlling which currencies, exchanges, and execution thresholds above which to execute. Then, by turning the keys of this engine, they can start to see these opportunities come in and see a live trade log of which trades are being placed. Our clients can also integrate this API within their own technical stacks using SDKs in whichever language they prefer. We have 5 institutional clients in FX and crypto reserve growth. With these clients, we're already in production. Here's a small sample taken from this past month with one client where we traded 6.5 million in notional volume. 99.8% of our trades, our limit orders, were fulfilled, leading to a 22% annualized return for this client on their portfolio. What we're seeing is that this opportunity is quite fragmented and client-specific based on markets and pricing. And so with each client, we have a profit share plus a volume tiered subscription fee, allowing us to align incentives with each client. We also have one institutional client in cross-border payments. With this client, we're exploring the use case of being the best-in-class currency exchange rate engine using our client-specific rails. We benchmarked against Wise, OFX, and MoneyGram, and we found that we're able to provide better exchange rates than these best-in-class options. And so we want to be the engine for the likes of Wise, OFX, and MoneyGrams of the world. This is exactly the use case we're exploring with this cross-border payments company. And we're already seeing that we can find better effective exchange rates than this cross-border payments company 91% of the time. We're the blue, our client is this orange. And so this is quite exciting for both us as well as for our client. So we're in growth mode. We've secured clients, perform profitable trades, reach 24/7 production. We have 500,000 deployed across our clients today, and we have plans to scale up to 20 million deployed by the end of 2024 and 200 million deployed by the end of 2025 by increasing volume with our clients, as well as by increasing the number of supported brokers that we have on our platform that are actually being used in production. Shomik and I started building quantum computing hardware and software nearly a decade ago because of the potential it has to use the underlying physics of our universe to solve highly complex problems across industries. That's exactly what we're doing. We're starting with reserve management, but we believe the technology, the underlying technology we're building can be applied across the financial industry and eventually beyond the financial industry across the automotive, pharmaceutical, and energy sectors. If this vision excites you, book a meeting with us today to become a partner or to talk about our first institutional round. Thanks so much to all these programs that have supported us, especially Fintech Sandbox, which really allows us to give us a perspective, a telescope into markets before investing into the infrastructure needed to really explore these markets. Thank you all so much for your time, and join us as we reimagine what computing can do. Thank you.